In this video, I'm going to show you how can you use your phone as a webcam. So first of all, you just need to open your browser and come to this website, which is called DroidCam.app. So I'll give the link in the description box. So after you come to this website, you have to go down and install this DroidCam client on your computer. So just click on it. And now here you can see there's Linux setup, Windows setup, and also there's a dedicated OBS plugin. So you can also use this for your OBS screen recorder. So we're just going to use the Windows setup. Click on this and you can see there's a download option. If you just click it, it will start to download on your PC. But we have already downloaded this. So we're just going to install. Install is also easy. Just click next, click the agreement and it will start to install on your PC. After installing this, you just need to go to your search bar and search for DroidCam. And here as you can see the DroidCam client. Just click on it. Now you need to add a device. So we're going to go back to your mobile phone and install the application from mobile. So on your phone, you just need to come to the Play Store. And after coming to the Play Store, you just need to search for DroidCam here. Now after you search a DroidCam here, the first result is not the application. You just need to scroll down. And here you will find the DroidCam, webcam and OBS camera. So you just need to install this app. Tap on install. After finishing the install, you just need to tap on this open. For the first time, just tap on continue, and give all the permission like camera and microphone. And after that, it will show your Wi-Fi IP and also your DroidCam port. So you need to connect it to the same Wi-Fi on your PC and your mobile also. Now let's just come back to the PC again. Now you just need to click on add a device and it will automatically detect your phone on your PC. As you can see, this is the phone right now that I'm using. So you just need to click on your phone and add selected device. Now if you cannot find your phone, you can also manually just type the IP address and it will show your phone. Now as you can see, I'm connected to my phone app camera here. As you can see, this is my back camera of my phone. It's now connected to my PC and this is right now using as a webcam for my phone. You'll find the option to switch the camera, but the back camera is always good. So you can use the back camera for your webcam. You can put your phone on a stand and then you can use it. Like if you want to use the webcam on your Zoom meeting, you can see if you just click on a new meeting, you can see there's an option to use the DroidCam. So you just need to check mark it and you click on start to use your phone. So you can start to use your phone as a webcam for your PC. So that's it guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.